Sabio, Princess Don Adriano, top 3 of the batch 2024 and 2025, magna cum laude.
Woo! Congrats, eh! Bilis, bilis.
Last but not the least, Napire Eloisa G, top 2 of the batch 2024 and 2025, magna cum laude.
Proud Ninang, Ninang Miles, and proud Mommy. Thank you, Lord.
The honors for medical
Lord.
school principal, Mr. Vita B. Belen, LBT.
For the senior high school department,
Axel.
accountancy, business and management, Barangay